welcome back to another vlog. I thought they was leaving me a voice note because I don't talk on the phone like that anymore. I'm a voice noter, meaning I will leave you a long voice message, and that's how I communicate now. I don't know, I just don't have time to sit on the phone like I used to.
Your hands up, Tom. Tom, do I pressure you? Blink 5 times if I bluster you.
Oh my God. Sinclair, leave him alone. Tom, do I have to call security? Because I feel like she's harassing you at this point. Now she got you in the back room sitting down. But anywho, I'm on my way to get my nails done, y'all. The last time I got my nails done was the Chris Brown concert, you all. Say, they held on. Like, they really held on. Like, it's been over a month and a week or so. This is my first time ever getting Gel X, and let's just say, yep. And my nail tech, how you do that? She ate that. She ate that, okay? Still look good, but of course I have to get them done. But I'm not sure when I'm gonna get done. The inspo that I picked kind of looks like this already, but I don't know. I'll tweak it a little bit. Let me show you my inspo pick. I like over the top, but settled over the top, if that makes any sense. Like, I like all the extraness, but it has to be cute, not too much. It's 4 o'clock. It's a little early. I did get ready early because I thought I had to take my daughter to the hair store, but I don't. And she told me at the last minute. Threw a little something on. Oh, y'all, I am wearing, don't mind the box, y'all, because Fifi got a hold of this box because I left it on my bed. I am wearing the new Gucci Glow Skin Tint in shade Deep 51. So far, so good. If you don't know, Gucci did come out with a skin tint, and I can't see what the claims are. It says tinted moisturizer, skin. And by the way, I am wearing my daughter got it a little tight. My little jewelry my new hand jewelry. And my nails did. She gonna be cute. I'm trying to find something to do because I'm that type of person. Ever since I got older, I value people's time. So if you tell me to come at a certain time, I will be there. The old Tamika, I'll be there when I get there. But like I said, the new Tamika, be there. If you tell me at 6, I'll be there at 6:50. No, if you tell me at 7, I'll be there at 6:50. Just to give myself some time. I did put up my Christmas tree. And I did get a new rug. The rug don't match the furniture, so don't pay attention to that because I am looking to get new furniture. I was hoping and praying I would be moving sometime soon. God willing, I will sometime soon, but I'm not sure. So as I to say, the rug don't match my furniture, but it do match the furniture that I want to get once I move or down the line, because I do want a sectional. And the sectional that I want is like that color cream with the black pillows. I'll probably try to insert a picture here. But it's so crazy. When I first was looking at that sectional, it was like $1,600. And I wish I would have got it back then. But I kept thinking, okay, if I move, less furniture I have to take. But now the sectional is like $2,000 and something, and I'm just like 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It went up like $400 or $500 from the first time I noticed that sectional. So here's the new rug. Like I said, it do not match the furniture, but this is the color furniture that I am looking to get in my when I upgrade to a sectional. Christmas fireplace alongside my Christmas tree. Fifi is a mess, y'all. She is a mess, but I love my Fifi. She always talking and popping me with that darn tail. You hear her? Yeah, she's up under me like always. Did want to run to the stores before I left, but I really don't need to spend no more money. Like no more money. Did I did I do a Ulta haul? Let me show you really quick what I got from Ulta the other day. Let me grab my stuff. Alright, so I have another big old Ulta haul. Oh, you know what? Matter of fact, while I'm sitting here waiting, let me see if I could give y'all a fireplace view. Jers had created this little gift bag for us just to show her appreciation, how she appreciate us and everything like that. And I was like, oh my gosh, I thought that was so nice. You hear me? So she gifted me this here Kiehl's pouch. Is there anything in this Kiehl's pouch? And I got this here scrunchie. I forgot what brand this is, but yeah, I got a scrunchie. What brand is this? How cute. We got a little Rare Beauty highlighter. How cute. Little Rare Beauty lip product. How cute. Brush cleaner. You know how if you want to go between colors and you only have one or two brushes. So yeah, we got that. What is this actually called? I can't see that, but yeah, we got that. I love little teeny things, y'all. That may sound crazy, but I do. In beauty, this here is Bright and Tight. We got a eye gel from Caudalie. We got something from Glow Recipe. It's a serum. We got the 10+10 moisturizer. Jisoo lip. Okay. Mini Makeup by Mario eyeshadow palette. I cannot wait to wear that gold for holiday, okay? Ooh, she cute. So yeah, that's what we got from one of our managers. And like I said, I thought that was nice, you know, that she took the time out to show her appreciation. My Ulta haul. I've been at Ulta for the past few days, and the only reason why I went to Ulta is because they have a sale going on. I did get another Ulta beauty bag, and this one was $29, and you know the other bag that I bought was $24. Here, Eco Tools makeup brush cleaning pad. I just needed a new cleaning pad because I had a Sigma cleaning pad that I had since Covington. I mean, a pad is a pad, but I just feel like it's just time to maybe go ahead and toss that. It's nothing wrong with it, but I just feel like I had it for years because I've been here for about 5 years, so I had it for a long time. So I say that to say I just got a new one. Eco Tools, I call them Power Puffs, and so do Eco Tools. This here is the Power Puff Dual set. I brought some from Natrium. I think that's how you say it. I brought a 2 lip balms. This one here is in Latte, and this here is a clear balm because I don't like to always wear like a lip. So yeah, it's just a regular old lip. Let me see what this looks like. I don't have no. Oh, they took away the silver applicators, so I'll just put this on. I have the shade Latte. I probably use this tonight. I have the Eco Tools makeup brush and sponge shampoo. Another sponge? No, but like I said, beauty blenders and sponges is like underwear. I have to keep a lot. Like I need a whole lot because sometimes I'll clean them, and then sometimes if I clean them too much and they start looking a mess, I'll just toss them. Y'all, we were at work and Charlotte had bought us some fans. Y'all, I finally figured out how to pop my fan, okay? And when I tell you I was having a ball at work, I'll probably insert some video, but y'all, Yes, honey, I was popping at where them fans at. So yeah, y'all will be seeing these in some of my makeup videos once I get back to doing them. Got this here hair wrap because once it get cold, I like to wear hats, but I like to wear things like this too because when I'm at work, I can keep this on at work. That's why I got the black. They text me, so let me see who texts me and I'll be back. Like I said, I'll probably leave here like at 5. I was supposed to get rid of that tree because the my feet. The light bulbs, because it's a pre-lit tree, the pre-lit light bulbs don't work anymore. The purpose of having a pre-lit tree is where you didn't have to worry about, wrapping the lights around. But I'm glad I kept it because I wouldn't have had a tree. Well, I'm going to take that back. I would have bought a tree, but I would have spent full price and nah. And then I wasn't sure with me. This is my first year having Fifi, which is our new cat, full price for a tree if she was going to tear it down. Then when I first put the tree up, she did jump in the tree, and I was trying to get a picture or some type of video, but she ended up jumping out, and she haven't jumped back in the tree since. Now she do lay at the bottom of the tree, like on the skirt, but she hasn't climbed or jumped inside of the tree. That stays like that, where she doesn't bother the tree. But like I said, if she do bother the tree, I don't care because like I said, this tree was getting ready to go. I was getting ready to give it to someone. But I ended up throwing some lights on the tree. They were like some lights you hang behind your wall. So I kind of threw them on the tree where I didn't have to like wrap them around. I don't know. I just don't like wrapping lights around a tree. Maybe because I've done it for so many years. And once they came out with the pre-lit tree, I was like, yes, I'm buying a pre-lit tree. Like, we not doing this. Like, I'll see you after I get my nails done. I'm not sure if I'm going to vlog it. And we will see the after. To fix myself something to eat. And I wanted to show y'all this here Trader Joe's meal. Y'all, it's really, really good. This one here, the orange chicken bowl. I got me a new Alexa device. Yeah, it's so cute, right?
Sorry, what about your device?
It has my Fire Stick stuff on here. It plays music. It has our shopping list. Recipes for homemade.
Perfect. I found some fantastic gut-friendly drink recipes that'll help boost your digestive health. Noodle soup recipes that'll warm you right up. You've got everything from classic versions to
This brand Tasty is good. What do you need? Olive oil, a large onion. Hey Alexa, can you make a shopping list of the ingredients I need?
I've added all the ingredients for your chicken noodle soup to your shopping list.
Oh, that is so decent. Black pepper, chicken. Thank you. Let me go ahead and go. I'm going to go ahead and eat and watch TV until it's time to go. Of course, when I leave, it's going to be dark. Like, it's going to feel like it's 10 o'clock at night, okay? So, yeah, that's the only thing about when the time change, y'all. So, I will talk to you later. Made it look sexy. I begin mixed signals to open up her box. I'm gonna open up her box for her. Let's see what she got. So cute. Oh, you got one of these. Oh, it's 2 hearts. Oh, how cute. Oh, Hello Kitty. There's Hello Kitty, and she got her Hello Kitty cup. Hello. Look at Dash. She look naked. Hello. See Dash. Hello. Hello. Let's go to the nail room. Girl. You work tomorrow?